Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. Looking good. 61 degrees outside today. Not too bad, but it is cloudy nonetheless. We've got Dark Bro first in the chat today. What's going on, Dark Bro? Nick F. No Toast. Yo! What's going on, No Toast? Shrill Carter, how you doing? Pudgy, Dark Bro, Shrill Carter, Pudgy, Shrill Carter, Moji, Shrill Carter. We got Dark Bro, J-Bones in the house, baby. Dark Bro, we've got Moji, J-Bones, Shrill, Moji, Dark Bro, Torch, Moji, J-Bones, Chris, Vittoriano. God, I love that green name. Shrill Carter, Tosh, Demon96, what's going on to you as well? Not too much this morning. Didn't jump in any plays this morning. Kind of glad I didn't get in here, although it is looking like it's wanting to test these intraday highs. Could be a decent turnaround point. We'll put a little line right here to see if we do end up bing, 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 boom, turn it back around. I'm not going to get in on anything during the live stream. You guys can if you want, but it's been pretty volatile so far. Guys, this volatility, I mean, how predictable is it going into the inflation data coming out tomorrow morning? This type of volatility right here is exactly what we were talking about yesterday, man. Exactly what we were talking about yesterday. Coming down to this line, where did this little line come? Oh, I just put that on there. Oh, God, I was going to say, where did that little line come from? No, I'm talking about a tiny green line, a little bit of a bounce here, maybe moving kind of sideways on this level of support, and then potentially getting blasted during inflation tomorrow. So, wild to see that that's exactly what's happening right now. We will see how it ends up playing out. Dang, you could have scalped this candle right here for probably 5% gain already. We will see how it plays out. But nonetheless, man, we got a very volatile day going on ahead of the inflation report coming out tomorrow morning. AMC in the top left. You guys got to tell me I'm Big Clay. You got to tell me I'm Big Clay. Bro, I wasn't first. Short Carter was. You the other guy? Huh. No, I don't see Shrill up there. What'd you do, man? What did you do? You deleted his message when he got in there so you could be first? Oh, gosh. Read an article on Voyager. Oh, Pudgy, what did it say? I've not seen an article on Voyager in a couple days, man. So what did it say? I really need the optimism on Voyager as well, dude. I want 100%. I want that platform to be opened back up, backed by FTX, and looking good, man. That would make me happy. Make me happy, Pudgy. Make me happy, man. Keith Kemp, good morning to you. Keith Kemp, what's going on, dude? What's up, everyone? Chris, how you doing, man? Hey, bros. Vittoriano. Gosh, I love that name. I already said that, though. I know I did. I let him have it, Clint. No, my... First place is your place. Shrill. First place is your place. And nonetheless, guys, very difficult day today. AMC being down 5% right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1020. Very, 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 very steady action on Shiba Inu coin. Trying to follow Bitcoin, man. Basically trying to swim and stay above water right now. We've got GameStop sitting at 26.27 right now, up 4% on the day. The NASDAQ, it is green, and it's right here at this intraday level of resistance. We've got, the NASDAQ looks exactly the same as QQQ. BR Therapeutics sitting up 4% at the moment. Very low volume there. Almost like watching paint splatter on a wall. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin mixed right now, but all around break even. Sundial up 4%, going from $1.96 low up to $2.07 high. I don't know if my camera is lagged out or what the deal is. Might have to reset. Nope, good to go. Good to go on that one. Molinado, $2.56 here, or $2.56, yeah, after a 10-for-1 split. Molinado sitting at 25.5 cents. CEI sitting at 16 cents, down almost 7% on the day. The SPY is down, the SPY is up 0.5%. My gosh, dude, get it right. BBIG is down 3%. Highcroft Mining, 57 cents a share. I bet Highcroft Mining comes back down to the 25-cent lows that we saw before Adam Aaron announced that AMC was getting in. I would not doubt that you see some declines there. Netflix sitting at 220 right now. Terra Luna Classic, 27.6. Zoom back in there. Very weird action on Terra Luna Classic and Weeble here. QQQ up 0.67% at the moment. It's hitting this intraday level of resistance. And ApeCoin will touch. My dreams will come true in ape, not coin, ape stock will touch $1.49. I had that dream when ape was at like $8 a share and touching $1.68 this morning. Oh my God, dude. Ape is getting ripped. Man. Sad to see, dude. Really is sad to see. Vittoriano! Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Vittoriano, thank you very much for the super chat. Whoever's asking about Ape or AMC breakout, probably one of the last things to happen anytime soon. It very well could be. Outdo, bro. Thank you for the super chat. I took the plunge into AMC Ape at $1.70. Dude, take your profit, man. Take your profit. Yes, you are up. You're up 1% right now, man. You're doing pretty well. You're doing pretty well over there, dude. Up almost 1% at the moment. This dude's getting in and killing it from the start. That's what I'm talking about. Patrick! Oh, I got a little bit of water in here. Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee or the water. Thank you very much for the coffee or the water, Patrick. Thank you very much for the coffee or the water, Patrick. Thank you very much for the coffee or the water, Patrick. Now that's some good stuff right there. Michael! Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. To the most consistent player in the game, Michael, man. Thank you very much for the fist bump. Coming in every day. Oh, you guys got to see this. Look at this, man. Look at this. We got stickers for days, by the way. Now we got stickers for days. Oh, my goodness. I got to show you. I was busy yesterday, man. I was busy. You guys think I don't do anything? I'll tell you, I was busy. I mean, I know you got to print these stickers out and everything. It's not that easy to cut all these little letters out of everything here. So we got stickers for days, man. We got a purple pack, blue pack, black pack, and the Claybro YouTube logo stickers right there. So we'll be good for, I don't know, maybe a week of giving stickers away or something. I got to get envelopes, though. I don't have any more envelopes. I do have to get envelopes. Purple, blue, black. Yes. Perfect. What we going here? Good evening, Clay and everyone. Sarah Destek Croy. Can you say a Niels? Yes, Niels Comstra is the best. Niles. Is it Niles or Niels? Niles Comstra, you're the best. Let's see. Did you get my address on Twitter? Michael, yes, I do have your address. I got your address from Twitter, man. I saw that in the DMs. And some other people, Kai, I don't know if you're listening right now. I believe Easy Ride. Just throwing their addresses out on the internet like I told you exactly not to do, man. But nonetheless, I did get your addresses from there. So, should be good to go on that one. Don't post your addresses on like a public wall, man. Don't do that. It's bad news. Bulldog! Oh my gosh, I missed the Pudgy too. Bulldog! Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. What's going on, Bulldog Trading, man? Thank you very much for the super chat. So glad to have you in here, guys. Check out Bulldog Trading's YouTube channel if you have not done so already. It is awesome. If we offered you stickers, would you accept? Why would I not accept stickers, Outdo, bro? Of course I would accept stickers. Pudgy! Thank you for the super chat. Read last two and add me on Discord. I'll message you the whole article. Well, go say something in Discord then. Or just... I think you can still send me a message. Oh, there, I see you there. Are we not friends? No. Go to this one. All right, cool. And the last two says, hold on. FTX's winning bid for bankrupt crypto firm Voyager Digital includes $51 million cash payment with an additional $60 million in earnouts and incentives. The bulk of the offer is for the fair market value of Voyager's cryptocurrencies, with Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX will distribute pro rata to customers who move to FTX's platform. Dang it. All right. Well, that's fine. That's fine. I really wish they would have kept that platform open. Yeah, I really wish they would have kept that platform open, but I would gladly move my crypto out to get my crypto as opposed to not keeping that, or keeping, not keeping crypto and keeping that platform. However, did it say anything, Pudgy? That is good news, man. I do like that. Did they say anything about continuing to run Voyager at that point in time, or are they completely shutting it down, man? Did they say anything about continuing to run it, but any new customers can just get their crypto on that platform, or is everything because I don't necessarily like FTX's interface and stuff. I'm not going to complain about it if I'm getting my crypto back, but I did like Voyager. Be effective if we burnt an insane amount right now. It's a slow burn. Michael, we talking about Terra Luna Classic? My address to your face. Good deal, easy ride. I'll get that for sure. Clay, bro, did you see Luna has a credit card deal that burns? Champagne Poppy. So yeah, I did see that on Travel Ads TikTok. 180 different countries you can use. Is it Okesi? I don't know how to say the name of that company there that allows you to do it. But yeah, sweet, man. Here's the thing that I just don't know if people will do. Will people spend their Terra Luna Classic? That is the part that I don't know. Same deal kind of with Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin and all of these other coins. People tend to want to hold their cryptocurrency as opposed to spending it. So could it increase volume? Absolutely. Will it increase volume? That part I do not know. Dang it, man. This is tempting me. This is tempting me to want to open a put right here. It does not look like it's going to break through this intraday level of resistance. And I think on just one little red candle, you could absolutely scalp a 5% gain right here. I think you could do it, man. I think you could do it. Just give it like 2 seconds. Intraday levels right there. Boom. Pop. Grab. Go. Let's see. Hello, emojis. Sadistic Roy. What do you think of PRMX? Abdallah. I don't know anything about PRMX. I'll see that. Blue Pumpkin. We are getting to Blue Pumpkin season, man. Blue Pumpkin should be right around the corner. It is Halloween. PLMX has to be a coin, right? It's not in Weeble right now. Gotta be a coin that I do not see there. I feel like I just realized this. Probably way too late, but no one that used to talk about AMC even mentions it anymore. Is it over or just on pause for now until we return to the bullish market and hold? So, Andrew, here's my thoughts on it, man. Adam Aron is planning on diluting AMC with massive amounts of APE, okay? I don't think that he's issued those shares yet, but they are ready to go on a 425 million share issuance. If they issue 425 million shares to the hedge funds who need to cover 100 million shares, how could we expect them to squeeze the price higher if they only have to cover 100 million shares and they literally just bought 425 million? That's my thoughts on it. If Adam Aron massively dilutes AMC with APE like that, I don't know if we can expect a squeeze. What we can expect, and this is going to be a different investment strategy at that point, is that AMC's fundamental value should increase. The price of the stock should decrease, but the fundamental value should increase. So it's going to be interesting, man. I'm not terribly excited about Adam Aron and the way he took things and what he did with them, but it's... yeah, that's my thoughts on it, dude. He's going to single-handedly ruin the squeeze if he's able to dilute it with 425 million shares of APE. Let's see. Andrew, I've been pointing out people stopped talking about AMC since Shiba became a thing, and Adam Aron screwed everyone. Now everyone's talking about Terra Luna. Everybody is talking about Terra Luna right now. Isn't it crazy? Isn't it crazy how everybody just jumps? Man, I'm telling you right now, this is just, it's getting juicy down here. It's getting juicy. Ooh, boy, oh boy, oh boy. 264.48 on the QQQ right there. Up 0.65%. This little green line, it might break though. It's kind of looking like it wants to break out instead of fall back down. Continuing to retest this little line right here. It looks like it does want to break up instead of come back down. So enticing, but it's not falling off this level of resistance, and it looks like traders almost want to knock it up through that level of resistance right there. So this is going to be interesting. If it sits here any longer, we may just see a nice little breakout. And then beyond that, I don't know what's going to end up happening, but looking like we got a little bit of strength going on right there. Glad I didn't pull the trigger. How you doing, Randman? Randman, what's going on? Pudgy, do what now? Randman, don't do that. I don't even know what Randman did. Let's see. It doesn't talk about their plans, but the structure of Voyager itself is included in the deal. All right, yeah, Pudgy, send that to me, man. I'll have to look at that because I am interested to see what goes on. Caking spaghetti below. What? How many of you am I cooking for? Okay, so see, I thought that this was like some caking was some foreign verb that you guys use, Sarah. So I didn't know if you guys like, baking. Could have been baking, but you guys say caking instead because you bake a cake. And that was some sort of a slang that you guys have. But thank you for clearing that up because I don't need to roll around saying I'm caking spaghetti. Look at this candle, man. This breakout said, tricked ya. Gosh, dude, look at this support right there. You guys probably would be up like 30%. You guys probably be up 30% on that candle right there. Oh my goodness. Wild action. It said, tricked ya. Not gonna break up through. We're gonna smash on lower. Ridiculous. Easy ride. Can you send me a Sheet-O sticker for the family? Oh, man. I can't do a whole sheet. But yes, easy ride. I can send you a handful of stickers, man. I can send you a handful of stickers. I can't do a full sheet, though. I can cut them up, and I can give you a bunch, but not a full sheet of stickers. Hold 2 LUNC positions. I bought for a penny on Weeble. Seeing that a penny invested has doubled, it makes me feel good. So I hold more on Uphold. Even though it's not growing fast, it's still growing. Caesar. Nice, man. Been culinary article on the Iron Chef throwdown. No toast between me and Sarah. It's going to have to happen soon, man. It's going to have to happen soon. Clipper of Adam Aaron ruins the squeeze with Dilute. Don't you think the entire worldwide ape community that saved AMC will flip and go bananas, pun intended, and just ruin AMC? Yeah, so Gorilla Invictus, here's my, because I do think about that, right? I do think it is a definite possibility, right? But at that point, here's my concern or like counter argument, if I was trying to argue both sides here, is that at that point, if Adam Aaron ruined the squeeze, he would ruin the squeeze by being, debt-free or essentially debt-free, right? Not necessarily concerned about paying his... Gosh, man, I hate to see the QQQ ripping down like that, and I didn't get in on that perfect entry with the intraday resistance there. You're making like 30% on these 2 candles, can guarantee it. At that point, dude, imagine if he doesn't have any debt. Like, let's say he bleeds the apes for another couple $1 billion in ape dilution and so on. If he does that and they have no immediate debt concerns, this is going to sound savage, and I think the man is a savage for walking all over the people who did save his company. He won't care. He won't care. He still thinks you're going to go to the movies. Maybe you won't go to the movies as often, but I don't think he'll care. I don't think he'll have successfully basically stolen billions of dollars from many people and put his theater in a position for long-term success at that point, and he won't care who he killed to do it. John J, thank you. And can we ruin it? I don't know. If we all stop going to the movies and revenue declines, because the apes stopped going to the movies, but he's not worried about paying debt down. No short-term concerns about all of the deferred rent and all of that. Does it really affect his balance sheet? In that part, I don't know. John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Best Michael Jackson impersonation. Dance move for Pudgy. I got you. This is for Pudgy. I can't do Michael Jackson, dude. I can't do Michael Jackson. John J, man, thank you very much for the most embarrassing super chat in the world. Appreciate that. I got that down, but the leg move, nah, dude. I can't do anything like that. Oh my gosh. Do you think you'll stop promoting KuCoin until they implement a tax on Terra Luna Classic? So, Jonathan, no, not necessarily. Look, I still think that KuCoin is a good platform, and here's something that a lot of people can make the decision to do if they want, which is not a bad decision. It's kind of the same thing we talked about doing with Binance, when Binance was talking about, you know, that 3-step proposal they had where people had to, oh man, we had to hold like 50% of all of the Terra Luna Classic on their platform. We had to opt in, and then we had to account for like 30% of the daily volume or whatever it was, man. I forget what the 3 proposals were, what the percentage-wise was at this point. But similar to that situation, when we said, hey, you can open up a Binance account, you can buy your Terra Luna Classic on the Binance account, move your Terra Luna Classic out of Binance over to KuCoin or, you know, another platform like MEXC that does support the burns. And then you can convert it on that platform to US Tether or USDC, swap that back to Binance, and all you're losing at this point is the burn tax, right? And then you can go ahead and grab more on Binance and swap it over to KuCoin or another platform and so on. So people can still do the same thing. I don't think it's necessarily like not supporting KuCoin and so on. I wish they did burn a little bit. I wish they did support the community a little bit better than they're doing. But, you know, they still have a good platform where you can buy and sell and trade cryptocurrencies. So it's not just Terra Luna Classic on there. But yeah, dude, if people want to open up a KuCoin account, if they want to buy some Terra Luna Classic on there, move that Terra Luna Classic to international Binance. I can't use international Binance, right? Move it over to international Binance, and then swap it for US Tether over on Binance and bring the Tether back to KuCoin and continue doing that and depleting KuCoin's holdings. Dude, you know, there's so much that we have the power to do. It's just it doesn't seem like people want to do it. And we could literally drain, and it doesn't cost anything other than the trading fees and the transfer fees. We could literally drain these platforms and all it costs is the fees to do so. And until people realize that they have that power, I don't know, man. I think that these people are going to continue running the streets. You know, like if you got a Walmart and a Target right next to each other, Walmart and Target can stay both in business because there's people who will shop at both places. But if people all of a sudden said, oh, dude, you know, forget Target, man. It's like, screw Target, we're going to Walmart. If everybody just went to Walmart instead and got the same exact stuff that they can get at Target, Target's going to go out of business. There's literally no way it would survive. So the same deal, it would either succumb to the pressure of losing customers or go out of business. And that's exactly what could happen with Terra Luna Classic, KuCoin, Binance, and all of these exchanges. We start to get settled. Well, I'm going to Walmart instead of Target because I always go to Walmart instead of Target. We start to get settled, man, in our ways. I use Binance, so I'm always going to use Binance. I use KuCoin, so I'm always going to use KuCoin. Dude, we could drain these exchanges faster than they knew what would hit them. I mean, imagine if you could, to go along with that, noodle toast. Dude. Imagine if you could, you know, to make the situation a little bit more plausible between Walmart and Target. Imagine if you could go to Walmart and you could buy whatever you want at Walmart. You hated Walmart, right? And then you could buy it at Walmart, And you could take it and you could just go sell it at Target for the same amount. You could just go return it at Target. Picture it that way. And then Target's got the inventory. In that case, and you don't lose any money. All you lose is the money driving from Walmart to Target. That's your fee, right? You had to drive from Walmart. Let's say they are like up the road instead of in the same plaza. If they're in the same plaza, you got to have some sort of a fee. So you got to drive. Not even a mile up the road, just across the street. And then you just return it at Target. Same deal. Swapping these cryptos all day long on different exchanges. You would literally spend no money depleting Walmart of all of their inventory. It'd be nuts, dude. But people don't want to, because most people are running on emotional thinking and not logical thinking. Small example, that's why people agree with what I said, but can't handle the way I say it. Exactly, dude. Exactly. And it takes some work, you know what I mean? And it would take an effort to do so. I do notice, man, a lot of people do run on emotional thinking, and they just want to be told what makes them happy, right? And I do want to tell you stuff that will make you happy. That is true. But I want to tell you stuff that'll make you better, too. I want to tell you stuff that'll make you stronger, too. I want to tell you stuff that'll make you the you that you're supposed to be, as opposed to just, oh, man, I feel good today because Claybro said my name. Or I feel good today because Claybro said I'm going to be rich in the future. No, man. We might have to go through the worst bear market literally in the history of the current financial world. That's not going to be easy to get through, but if you do, oh my goodness. When we're all old and talking about the good old days, yeah, good old Claybro Noodle Toes. Oh, dude, Noodle Toes. That's funny. John Jay. Fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, baby, John Jay. Thank you very much for the super chat, John Jay. Really appreciate that fist bump, man. Absolutely awesome. And thank you very much. I want to do... no, I'm not. Listen, I'm not going to do a sticker giveaway, so I ordered some envelopes, and I don't know. They'll probably be here. I imagine they'll be here tomorrow. So I'm probably not going to do any more sticker giveaways today because... Actually, it don't matter. Technically, I could if you guys want to do it today. I just won't be able to get them out today. Yeah, let's see. Hemi Life. Let's see where Tectonic is at right now, man. Let's see where Tectonic is at. Interesting. Should we do a sticker giveaway? We only have 33 likes. Hit 'em, Clay. Do it. What time is it? Oh, it's ad time. Is it ad time, guys? Is it ad time? 33 likes? 34 likes? 34 likes? Yeah, you guys are getting an ad. That's about as lame as can be, dude. We're 30 minutes in, and 30 of you guys clicked the like button. Oh, boy. Let's see. Where are we at here? $9 million market cap on Tectonic. Tectonic keeps going down, 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 going down, down. Dang, man, Tectonic hit new lows here at a $9 million market cap and only 70. Here's the thing about this coin, though. Okay, this Tectonic, it has been very popular. We need to, bro, I wonder if I'm going to have to try it. Hold on, let me see this. Let me see it. So, I wonder if this would work. I highly doubt that it would. You could probably buy some temporary tattoos. I'm going to get this wet, but I think this is... The only way that this is going to transfer is probably through heat. So, I got, like, you got ink, right? Galaxy-looking ink right here that you can print on the t-shirts with ink. And I think it's only going to make that ink transfer through heat instead of water. But dude, they probably make some sheets of water soluble things. Yeah, bro, temporary tattoos. That's a good idea, dude. I like that idea right there. Let's see. Chris! And that's why they go. Telling us what we need to hear, not what we want to hear. Love the hype, but ready for all of us to get off the meme. Hey, man, meme plays will always be around, though. And you definitely can make some money. Money has been made on meme plays. So we will continue to talk about all types of plays, including meme plays, yes. But I do agree, man, that with everybody being in here, you definitely need to have a focus on like long-term value plays as well. And let me say that I think with this bear market, we are all in a situation, or will be in a situation, where every single one of us is going to be that rich old dude that just doesn't care anymore because he's got so much money in the stock market because we were able to get in at the worst bear market in the history of the world. So I think we're going to be solid on that. But I do want to look at, where's Chrome? Hold on. I have to, my computer restarted this morning. I have to fix this. Alright, sweet. We're good to go. I'm only investing in crap coins. One of them has to take off like Shiba in the beginning. No toast. If you hit that, man, you are going to be wildly successful. So, Tectonic here. Guys, $9 million market cap. Down just slightly today. 1% lower. But continues to hit some new lows, man. It dipped down right here on October 3rd, about 9 days ago, 0.0009, and it's at 0.0010 right now. So it's still not in an all-time low, but continues to move lower here. $9 million market cap is very low. Here's the thing. You know, this is the all-time graph for Tectonic, and it was much higher. I don't know what the zeros are here, right? 1, 2, 3. 1. Looks like 5 zeros. 5 zeros, and currently has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. About to be 7 zeros. So, guys, you might be able to see somewhat of a 100x increase in Tectonic during the next bull market. And that would be nuts from where we're at right now. 100% increase gets you to $1 billion valuation. That is still a lower valuation than where Terra Luna Classic is right now. It's roughly $2 billion. So to get to the same value as Terra Luna Classic, Tectonic would essentially increase in value by over 200x. Now the volume is extremely low right now, only $76,000 traded in a 24 period, but nonetheless, man, if you guys want to take a little chance in some of these coins that are out there, you could absolutely make a lot of money if one of them is successful. Again, we still got to talk about memes, but at the same time, everything I've gotten into because of the meme hype went down. I still haven't made crap. Straight holding or taking losses. Yeah, Chris, I feel it though, man. I feel it. And a lot of that is because by the time it becomes popular and by the time it becomes an actual meme where you got the FOMO buying going on, it's not necessarily too late, but FOMO buying usually leads to FOMO selling before the actual value can be created. But I'm going to tell you this too. Even if you would have gotten into Apple, even if you would have gotten into Google, Amazon, and so on, everything has been destroyed in that same time frame. I mean, it sucks to watch. It sucks to watch, AMC or Ape come down, GameStop coming down from where they were, Shiba coming down from where they were. But when you start to look at, my God, dude, metamaterials is absolutely soaring again today, touching $6.25. $5.96 right now. Stock is wild. Yeah, if you look at Amazon and where it's been over the last year, dude, you would have gotten in at 188, almost $200 pre-split, right? 170, $180 per share, sitting at 112, down 40% on one of the biggest companies in the world. You've got, let's look at some other large ones here. If we can't, Google, man. You got Google. Google's trading at $150 a share, $98 a share. You're down like 35% on Google right now. You know, these stocks that are essentially supposed to be the best stocks in the world, the blue chips, the ones that you're never going to lose any money on, and they're coming down, man, just the same as the overall market is. That would suck, right? I don't know if AT&T is on here. AT&T is... It's not on here. AT&T is a pretty stable, long-term stock. And this could be an excellent long-term stock, right? AT&T was loving to trade between $20 and $30 per share for the longest time, man. This is a weekly chart. And you can see that it goes back in this range, $20 range, to 2012. And has been since falling off drastically, sitting at $14 per share right now. Oops. Sitting at $14 per share right now. And really the only time that it's been much lower is during the 2008 financial collapse. So, dude, if AT&T goes back to like a $10 share price, almost a no-brainer, because when they throw dividends on there, you're starting to talk about sick amounts, man. AT&T paying a 28-cent quarterly dividend right now, which is, you know, huge. 52-cent dividend back here when it was trading at $20 a share. They pay a very nice dividend, and the dividend rate is 7.5%. Okay, think about that. 7.5% at a 28-cent per share amount. Imagine when it goes back up to $20 a share and you double your dividend. You know, all of a sudden you doubled your money because the price doubled, but all of a sudden the 7% dividend turned into a 15% dividend because the share price is going back up and they're able to pay out more of their retained earnings and so on. So there's a lot of boring long-term plays that we might be able to get into at 2008 lows, man. I mean, we can't really, I really don't think that we can expect, okay? If we did, well, let me put it this way. You know, you got these ridiculous prices here. Inflation was wild, and interest rates were wild back in the 80s here. So I don't expect 1980s prices. Like, I don't expect for you to be able to go out and get Microsoft for $1 or get Apple for $1 and get AT&T for $2. But, you know, I really don't see that 2008 prices could be out of the question if they continue to just allow things to spiral, man. And if you can get stuff at 2008 discounts, oh my God. Even if you get them at 2020 discounts at the lockdown lows, dude, we are going to be set for life, man. We're going to be set for life. And the QQQ here, looking like it would have been a great entry right now, getting in at that intraday level of resistance. Anybody want to go do the math on like a 259 put or something? Because I was looking at the 259s earlier being at like 36 cents. Does anybody want to go do the math on like a 259 put to see where you would have been spiking up to here, back down to here? You're probably moving from like 20 cents back up to 35 cents here. Probably a 50% gain in this little area. Crazy. I'm good. How you guys, Francis? Good. Clear, bro. Ever give any thought to a once a weekend sticker giveaway? Yeah, easy ride. So I'm gonna be giving stickers to everybody that wants stickers. Okay, I want to see you use the stickers, but I'm gonna give them away to everybody. Clear, bro, already talked about it. But why did the Shiba take a dump on download day? Just like AMC, nearly every time a movie came out. Chris, I don't know if Shiba necessarily took a dump on download day. But if you look at it here, download day was the 6th, right? So it came down slightly from about 1150 to 1100 points per coin on download day. Certainly didn't go up. And it would have correlated to a move in Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin on the 6th puts you in this area right here. So Bitcoin also had a purple day here, moving from 20,400 down to 19,900. So Shiba Inu coin is really following Bitcoin very well over the short term here. And you can see going from like the fourth and throwing some purple lines, going from the fourth, throwing some purple lines on the chart there. It's all dependent on Bitcoin right now. And unfortunately, Bitcoin is being dependent on the global economy, inflation and interest rates, this war with Russia, and the fact that people are talking about dropping nukes and crap like that. And everything at the same time coinciding with these major levels of support. I mean, dude, you got major levels of support right here on the NASDAQ. I'm not going to be surprised at all if the QQQ and the NASDAQ finish right around this line. Right around this line. Then tomorrow morning comes through. Dude, if tomorrow morning is bad news, I'm not going to be playing overnight puts into tomorrow morning's news. If tomorrow morning's good news and you bounce off support and get a strong rise, you're going to get busted on if you bought some put options. If you want to take a chance, dude, if you want to take a chance and you want to buy some puts for tomorrow morning's news, the fact that it correlates with a major level of support, you could absolutely see a huge move down if inflation sucks tomorrow. Or you could see a nice bounce off support if inflation comes in strong. So I highly doubt that we get some sort of a stagnant move tomorrow, unless inflation comes in right at expectations and literally there's no shock within the market. It's just exactly what people expected, and just everybody moves on with their merry self. I don't know if that's what's going to happen, but that's kind of my thoughts on that. John Jay, thank you very much. John Jay says, I can be your hero, baby. John Jay, you ready for this? Oh my gosh. John Jay, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my gosh, man. That is the hardest one to do. I know you guys can't exhale like that. John Jay, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that super sticker. One of the hardest ones to do, but you make me work for it. Remember what happened when none of the other YouTubers didn't promote you scam game? You tried to spread satire and rumors because you got your feelings. I don't know who we were talking about, but me, man, I hope I wasn't playing no game. Were you talking about that Christmas game that I was playing last year? Let's see. I don't have to agree with the movement. Not everyone has the same views. Movement. Yeah. Something. How though, bro? HKD ready to pop. Jump in. Jump in and get wet, brother. What's HKD is about to pop even more? HKD was just running wild yesterday, I think. HKD. $39 per share, down 3% today. HKD on a daily graph. I'm telling you, man, HKD already had a very good day yesterday. If it's going to pop, dude, if you guys, anybody want to ride HKD from $39 to $300 again? Golly, bum. I want to, since nobody told me, did anybody tell me what those puts did? I need some positivity. You got it, man. You got it. Rozzy, you got my positivity right here. Shiba ever going to run a bit? Yeah, so Jesus United, man. I think that Shiba absolutely will run during the next bull market. I really do, man. I really do. I think all of this stuff is going to run during the next bull market. And that's what I was kind of trying to make the point on Tectonic. I may have gotten distracted and come back to a super chat or something in here. But the opportunities we have right now to, and I don't know everybody's situation, right? If you got $20 a week, and maybe, dude, maybe you don't have $20 a week, but, and I'm not one of those guys that says, well, dude, just forget it. Don't go get a coffee every day. If coffee's your thing, man, if that's what you look forward to, grab your coffee. But if you can make a decision between, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's ridiculous. I really don't even like going out to eat or ordering food at restaurants right now, because it's stupid. The prices are ridiculously higher, and I know for a fact that they're giving me less food because I am not getting any bigger, and I'm still hungry when I finish eating at these restaurants. Lucky Starts, member for 6 months, baby. LFG, Claybro. Hope you're doing well. Lucky Starts doing very well, man. Hope you're, drop my mouse. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for the 6-month member chat, Lucky Starts. Lucky, didn't you win that back yesterday? Nice, man. Nice. Got that green name to an OG in here. What was I saying then? Oh, but yeah, dude, if you could choose. So if one of these restaurants around there is going to charge you like $25, man, and you can go get it somewhere else, maybe it's not your favorite restaurant, $13, you can save an extra $20 a week. I know you can. I absolutely know you can. And if you start throwing $20 a week and during this bear market into some of these projects, and you end up with $1,000 in crypto by the end of the year, dude, if we 100x after this bear market is over with, and you just because you decided to save an extra $20 a week, and you actually do 100x, which is not impossible on something like Tectonic, right? That's sitting at a $9 million valuation. If a bull market returns and everything's running, and it hits $1 billion valuation, and that's a 100x increase in value, dude. If you turned having a cheeseburger instead of a steak, which cheeseburgers are great. I know they are. Steaks are good, but dude, cook your own steak instead of going out and getting a steak. 9 times out of 10, you're going to make it better than the restaurant will anyway. But if you could turn the $20 a week savings, if you could turn eating a cheeseburger instead of a steak into $100,000 during the next bull market, you're going to thank yourself for doing that. And if you think that's stupid to say 100x gains are like irrational, man, why would you ever expect a 100x gain? Like, we could go look, we could literally name any crypto. We can name any crypto, and almost from the 2020 lows to the 2021 highs, you're hitting 30, 40, 50x gains in basically everything except for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin ran from 3,000 to 69,000. So you still had a 25x gain in Bitcoin, the largest coin that's out there. So yeah, man, I don't know. You don't have to go drop $1,000 on Tectonic, but maybe Tectonic is your coin of the week and you pick up $20 this week. Maybe next week you end up picking up $20 in Terra Luna. Next week you end up picking $20 in Ravencoin. Guys, if Ravencoin comes back down to a penny, where it was at the beginning of 2020, you can see that it was down at a penny, right? In 2020 here, end of 2019, sitting at a penny. This bad boy shot up to like 28 cents. Now, I know it was 28 cents. I saw it at 28 cents. CoinMarketCap's lying to me at 23 cents. But when this stuff starts running during the next bull market, and you can 20, 30, 40, 50, 100x your gains, oh man, that's what I'm looking forward to, right? I know it is extremely slow right now. I know people are upset right now. I know this 140 that's in here right now, you guys will see. During the next bull market, this will probably be 14,000 people sitting in here Why? I'll tell you exactly why. Because the 140 of you that don't give up during this bear market, there's going to be another 100,000. For every one of you out there that makes it through, there's going to be 100 people out there saying, holy crap, I wish I would have been like you guys. I wish I would have ate that stupid cheeseburger instead of that steak. I wish that I would have just made it through that bear market and 100x my money. What is going on with these idiots? They all have $100,000 plus crypto portfolios. Some of them are sitting on $1 million plus crypto portfolios. It's like these bros are whales, man. Not because they had any information that we didn't have. Not because they did this. It's because they didn't give up. It's because they made it through the bear market when everybody else was giving up and saying they can't handle the stress, they can't handle this anymore, it's all over now, we're gonna closing up shop, and so on. And also, we're gonna have 148,000 people in here saying D's. I'm gonna make 148,000. You guys close your eyes, and then D's is gonna go. D's. D's, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, dude. Quabros Peach, ladies and gentlemen. Only D's can touch these peaches. Tectonic goes back to the pre-Luna numbers. That's a 60K gain for me. Oh, Lonnie, man. I absolutely hope you hit it, dude. Absolutely hope you hit it. Never give up. Never surrender. It really is true. You know, I mean, you're only facing you right now. You're only facing you, guys. This bear market's probably going to be one of the worst bear markets I don't know, modern world has ever seen. And one of two things is going to happen. We are either going to recover, and everybody that makes it through is going to be just like dumb rich, right? Imagine getting in during the Great Depression and holding. And just holding for the next 20, 30 years. You know, you would have been fantastic, dude. If your great-grandpa would have bought anything during the Great Depression and just said, dude, forget about it, man. You know, I'll live off the interest. I'll live off the dividends or whatever. But, like, this is for my family. And then you still would have had shares from the Great Depression. Like, your entire family lineage for the rest of eternity would be able to live off the dividends and just off the, like, shavings from that portfolio. That could be you. That could be you. You know, maybe your grandpa didn't go out and buy a Lamborghini with his Great Depression earnings. Maybe he didn't go out and do that. But, hey, dude, he could have had a nice new Cadillac. Grandpa could have been rolling around in one of those nice little Cape Cod homes, man, just built for like $6,000. You know, one of those brand new houses that they built for $6,000. Yeah, sure. He could have absolutely had one of those, living off the dividends alone. And imagine how you guys would be set up if your grandpa did that. And you're just living off the shavings. You're living off the dividends from your trust fund that your grandpa set up for you. You got that opportunity, man. You got that opportunity to absolutely take advantage of this bear market in ways that nobody would ever regret doing. I'm excited about it, man. I'm excited about it. The short term sucks. You got to watch the prices go down and so on, but we're gonna come out of this thing. It's gonna be wild, dude. Dark Bro! 4-month member chat, baby. Been watching for over a year. Honored to be a bro. Let's kick this bear market. Large t-shirt for Dark Bro in black, please, with stickers and LUNC to 0.008. I actually don't have any larges in black right now. The larges are red and I believe dark, well, whatever color this is. I think it's dark gray, but it's more of like a bluish gray. Right? Well, now it's all unfolded. I gotta fold it back up. Now I gotta fold it back up. But this here, yeah, like that's it looks slightly darker grayish, like only gray on here. But I consider that like a steel color almost, like a bluish gray, right? I don't know. The camera's putting it slightly more gray than I think it is. I think it's like a dark bluish gray. What color does it say it is? Yeah, it doesn't say. Doesn't say. Nonetheless, this is I got this and I got reds. Like the heather red or whatever they call it. Same deal. Bro, I'll rock red too. Boom! Yeah, because we got to do this, man. I got a bunch of these stickers set up. So I'm going to be working on a bunch of these shirts here. Hooking people up with these shirts. So we'll be solid on that one here. Be solid on that one here. As soon as I find some time, man. As soon as I find some time. I need more hours in my day. I need to find more hours in my day. $5 will give 50 million tonic. 50 million tonic sounds good to me, man. Tonic, where do you buy it? Yeah, where are you guys buying? Where's the best place to buy it? You could probably swap for it on a decentralized exchange, right? Yes, ma'am. I do concur. Hold forever. Johnny in Dubai. Hold forever, man. You live on the dividends. You're doing good. Let me get one. Razi. Yes, you can win one. I got to give the 1 year bros. Anybody that's 1 year old in here gets a guaranteed shirt first. For $5, I love you long, John. You will love me long time, even if I don't give you $5. Even if I don't give you $5, you will still love me for a very long time. Let's get this party started. Kenneth, let's do it, man. I'm ready to start this party. You guys better be ready to start this party, too. Let's see. JB, what's up? Could you let Clay know we have a game night coming up? And maybe post this for us. You're welcome to join in, too. Dude, you can post it in the Discord if you got a game night coming up. I probably won't partake in the game night because I suck at games, but yeah. Siobhan Johnson! Thank you very much for the super chat. So, Clay, I own 11.5 billion Tectonic and about 100 million, what is that? Very, very solid finance or whatever it is, VBS, and MMF, and still filling up the bag. I would love for you to make a Kronos Chain video providing your thoughts, not advice, if you could. Siobhan, I would love to do so. I will say this, though. I think that I need to do a little bit more research before I would feel not necessarily qualified, comfortable. Let's say that. Before I would feel comfortable doing a video on that. So I don't think I'm going to be able to pump it out today, but it is something that I would absolutely like to do, man. This dude's got 11 billion Tectonic. Could you imagine? Oh, my gosh. Could you imagine? When that bad boy starts rolling back up and hits $1 billion valuation, Siobhan is going to be doing amazing. JoJo2 Fire. Boom, boom. Get that workout in right now. Yes, JoJo, thank you very much for the dumbbell. Pump that up, baby. Pump that up. We are going. Tamadoge. So I don't own any Tamadoge. I have no plans on owning any Tamadoge. I know that a lot of people are excited about Tamadoge, but I don't know where it is right now. So it was up to like 19 cents. And did that hype wear off? Yes, that hype wore off drastically. All right, so like 2 weeks ago or last week, Tamadoge, however you say it, was rolling up to like 19 cents. Yeah. Rolled up to 19.3 cents from 2 cents. And it is currently back down to 3.5 cents up on the day. Was this the only run that it sees? Was this the only 10x gain that it sees? No, probably not, man. Interesting to see a coin gaining 10x and doing $50 million, $80 million worth of volume in a day, as low as this coin is and as unknown as this coin is. But nonetheless, man, at a $37 million market cap, I absolutely think that you can still see 10, 20, 30x gains in this coin. But if you're looking for like 30x gains, man, I think you're going to have to wait for a bull market for Tamadoge to reach $1 billion market cap. I don't think I see that without a bull market going on. So Tamadoge, dangerous, but clearly making some gains during this current bear market. Binance was hacked the other day. Did you see this info? Yeah, Kenneth, but they were able to stop the hack, right? I don't think that they had anything stolen, did they? They're having another time, bro. We need champion for Tonic. Go, bro. Go, bro. Go, bro. Dude, I really don't even know if you're going to need a champion for anything when the next bull market returns. I think that it's just going to be rolling. Here's Emma something Francis. I don't even know what Emma said. Francis, Kelpies are so cute. What a cute pupper. Oh, that must be. What's a Kelpie? I don't even know what a Kelpie is. 150 bros, only 69 likes. Click that like. Oh my gosh, listen to Danelle and click that like button. Guys, let's go 100 likes right now. Please. Pump it, baby. Pump it, baby. Pump it, pump it, pump it. 1776 zone. Absolutely. Hit 400 million lotto, and I'm getting that island. Were you one of the four? Were you one of the four that hit that $400 million lotto? Hey, go on the hourly chart for Ethereum and break it down. Rozzy, let's see if we could see the hourly chart for Ethereum here and what it looks like. Well, we definitely are bouncing off this major level of support right here on the hourly chart. The hourly chart has, oh my gosh. Hourly chart has been bouncing right off this level for quite some time now. Boom. Since September 19th. Bounced off this support. And I did not put this line on here just now, right? Bounced off, bounced off, bounced off, bounced off, bounced off, bounced off. And it could be curling back over right now. Now, as we notice, this bounce over the last day is much lower than the previous bounces that we've had. So if we retest today, it could be in for a breakdown. Let's look at it in comparison to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, similar action, but Bitcoin has actually been tapping down a little bit further than Ethereum has, unless you only go out to like September 28th. So Bitcoin bouncing, had a nice bounce, bouncing and retapping. Very similar levels, but I think that this is the main support line, in my opinion, that does end up getting broke tomorrow. I think that this is the inflation kind of watch line, and people are waiting for that number to come out. If the number is good, hey, we could absolutely use this line as a catapult and bounce nicely higher off of it. If inflation is bad and this line gets broken, $1,000, man. $1,000 is my next line. So you got a little support here at like 1,200, but $1,000 is basically my next line on the Ethereum hourly chart. If this level gets broken right here at like, I don't know, I think it's like 1275, but right basically where we're at right now. If inflation comes out and throws us lower, dude, I think you're looking 1050, $1,000 per coin on Ethereum. I DM'd you my address, Clay, bro. I'll take the red. Dark bro. All right, man. All right, dark bro already calling his red. Dark bro calling his red on that one. I like it. All right, you DM me on Discord. Did you? Okay, I do see a DM from you on Discord. I do see a DM from you on Discord. 72 likes. Come on, y'all. Get it to 100. 100. 100. Guys, literally, 27 of you, go click the like button right now. It's really easy to do, and you're going to make me happy. King, okay, but for $500,000, you $500,000 for you, because you were late to ask. Show 69 on here. No, I'm seeing 73. Let's see, Francis, the snipping king, insta my address also. Dude, don't send me anything on Instagram. You probably sent it to the wrong guy, and I don't even know if I get Instagram notifications anymore, man, because I never even open Instagram. Don't do Instagram. Instagram's a bad one. That one's very hard to use. Thank you for clicking that like button. We've got 75 likes. 75. Dark bro is going to turn his whites pink with that red. Could be true, man. Could be true. What about Shiba Inu? Thomas. Obviously, I like Shiba Inu coin, man. I think Shiba Inu coin following the overall market right now. We are really going to need to see a bull market return before we see any major gains in a lot of these cryptocurrencies, dude. So we're going through a period of either jumping on the trend and like jumping on what's rolling and arbitraging the difference in I guess trends or prices at that point in time, however you want to look at it. But as far as Shiba Inu coin, all these other coins go, I do believe the next bull market's going to be phenomenal, man. So I think if you want to get into, like, use this period as a dollar cost average period or a buy and hold period, we're going to be able to stack up fairly nicely until the bulls return. Fake Claybro has JB's address now. Fake Claybro might be sending you some solicitations in the mail. You might be getting some sign up for my course newsletters. Let's see. Where to send is we can't directly message you on Twitter, Face Claybro. Well, I don't know if it's Fake Claybro or not, dude. It could be the real me. I do have an Instagram account. But either join the Discord if you're not in the Discord already. Man, I gotta shave my mustache or something. Either join the Discord here, or go tag me in something on Twitter right now, and I can follow you, and then you can message me on there. Bro, I don't wear white, all black, everything all day. That'll be the only thing that's different. Ooh, dark bro, all black, all day, every day. Nice, man. I have no idea when I first started with YouTube. Joyce, you've been around a while though, haven't you? You've been around a while. $5. John J. $5. What's $5, John J? I don't know what $5 is, man. Somebody say mustache? Yeah, I did say mustache, dude, because I think I got to shave it. It's tickling my nose, man. I don't want my nose to be tickled. Yeah, Joyce has been around for a while, that's for sure. You know what I do want to do? You know what I want to do right here at the end of the live stream? First eligible green name in the chat right now gets a sticker pack. First eligible green name in the chat right now gets. You gotta claim it. You gotta tell you want it. You gotta claim it. You have to actually say you want it. You gotta claim it. You gotta tell me you want it. You guys know the drill. You're not. You guys know the drill in here. Who wants the sticker pack right now? Shoot, Rozzy claimed it, man. Rozzy claimed it. Easy ride, nice try. Me. I want it. All right, Rozzy, you got that sticker pack right there. Dang, man, you guys are slow. Rozzy's fast. All right, Rozzy got a sticker pack coming up. Rozzy, this one's for you. Hit me up on Discord or Twitter. You follow me on both, right? Follow me on both. Rozzy's got that sticker pack right there. Nice. Rozzy's got that one. The dude is fast. Moji! Oh, thank you for the mustache. But Moji, I need to shave. Oh, yeah, it's so embarrassing. Emoji, man. Thank you very much for the mustache there. And Rozzy, thank you very much for paying attention. Deez is most likely going to get one here pretty soon. Deez keeps coming in a very close second. These keeps coming in a very close second. I want stickers. Yeah, you guys were close on that one. Come back to the afternoon live stream. We might be able to give another one away. But nonetheless, guys, we will do blue pumpkins. I don't have any of those. We will do some shout-outs, and then we'll be back this afternoon with the other live stream. And then, of course, videos tonight. Moji, shout-out to you, man. Rozzy. Done now. Rozzy, Francis, Deez, JB. We got Easy Ride, Randman, Moji, DD214, Rozzy, Wouter, Van Hooligan, Alignment, Nick Tico, King Mamba, Moji, Deez, Emma D, Mela Mamas, Emma D, King Mamba, Easy Ride, JB, Shrill Carter. Yes, JB, it is 1 o'clock. Wanna? I don't know if you're out there or not. Have a wonderful day today if you are. Randman, see you later. Enjoy your afternoon. Rozzy, Dark Bro, Francis, Space Matter, see you later. Melamamas, Boom, Easy Ride, DD214, Lucky Thoughts. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.